Okay, so this week's video is not going up as I planned because I completely forgot to tell you all about the event that's happening this weekend. So the video that was supposed to go up today is actually going to happen in 2 weeks' time. The Victorian Goldfields Medieval Fair is on this weekend, and while neither of my reenactment groups is going in any official sense, Kraki and I will be going as just general attendees on Sunday. We weren't actually planning on going to this event because for the past week and a half Kraki had been in hospital, but he got out and he's been resting and it looks like he'll be able to make it for at least one day, so we're going to make that this Sunday. We're going to be doing a meetup with some friends of ours on Sunday as well, so if you're wanting to catch up, if you're going to be down at the event, it would be lovely to see you. We're going to be meeting up at 12 at the front gates, so the front entrance where you come in, and if you want to hang out and potentially do some craft stuff together, I'm going to be bringing some nail bending just to sit and chat with people while I'm doing it. Yeah, it's going to be a good day. What is the Victorian Goldfields Medieval Fair? Well, it's basically a big charity event. This event is a fundraiser, so all the funds are going to the Royal Flying Doctor Service this year. I think last year was the CFA, and they've done a couple of other organisations as well. So it's a really good cause as well as just being a good event. There's going to be HMB fighting and jousting, and there's going to be a skill at arms tournament, as well as all the usual reenacted displays. They've got a bunch of good groups going this year. And of course all the wonderful merchants as well. There's always lots of goodies to walk away with from these sorts of events. So yeah, I'm just really looking forward to the weekend and going to take lots of photos with lots of cool people, maybe take some footage to show everyone who's not able to attend, just so you can see what this particular event's like. Tickets. Where can you get tickets? I will add a link down in the description below as to where you can get tickets. You can purchase them online. It's $20 for an adult, $10 for children. There's family passes and all that sort of stuff as well. If there's anything in particular you want to see from this event, or if you are coming to this event and you want to meet up, feel free to leave all that stuff in the comments, and hopefully I can get back to you. Hopefully we can meet up. Hopefully we can have some fun times. And yeah, but otherwise, I'll see you next week. Bye for now. You made it to the end of the video, but it's only a short video, so I shall only give you 1 point.